How to fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to open up your Google Chrome. After you open up your Google Chrome, you will first need to know why the 404 not found error occurs in Google Chrome. So this occurs when the website that you're trying to visit is not found by Google. So if you want that to not happen, what you will need to do is you make sure that you have a good internet connection. Make sure that you have a really stable internet connection. And yeah, that's the first thing that you'll need to do. The second thing is that whenever you're typing up a URL in Google Chrome, you'll need to make sure that the URL is correct. Now, if there is a slight change in the URL, if there is a letter missing or soft stuff like that, the 404 error will also occur. So yeah, check your URL. Now the last thing that you can do is after you're on your Google Chrome, tap on your user on the top right corner, and then you will now need to head over to settings. So you can head over to settings from here as well, or you can simply head over to your settings from the settings option. So let me just tap on the three dots on the bottom right, and there it is, the settings. After you're on the settings, you will then need to clear up your cache memory. To clear up your cache memory, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to just tap on history. So search for your history. Now to find your history, tap on the three dots on the bottom right and tap on history. So after you're on your history, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the edit button on the bottom right. From here, you can just select your history if you have a little history, or else you can just tap on delete browsing data altogether. Now there is a time range as well, so just choose your time range. I'll choose all time and tap on delete button. Now you can tap on browse data, and here you'll need to make sure that you've selected browsing history, your tabs, your cookies and data. Now if you want to store your cached images and files, you can just deselect that, and doing all that, tap on confirm and tap on delete data. Now I'll not be deleting my data because there are few passwords that I do not want gone. Anyways, so after you've deleted the data, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.